What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another radio video, and today I'm going to talk about the SDRPlay RSP1 and the RSP1A. Of course, this is the RSP1. This is the I had this for over a year now. About a year, yeah. No, that's about a year. You see, RSP1. Now, the only thing the only thing I really don't like about the RSP1 is the case. It's just a plastic toy case. Looks like a toy, like a plastic toy type case. So I always wanted to maybe have a metal case for it, and I've seen people use I believe one YouTube video, somebody using Altoids metal box. And yeah, but I didn't want to do all that. I didn't want to go through that. I mean, it's fine, but I always wonder what it would be like with the metal box. So I saw this product on Amazon. Put this over here, and I paid $29.95, excuse me, on Amazon. And I saw this product, and very interesting. First is it is a metal case for the RSP1, and I'll show you what's inside this. This is like a travel pouch. Okay, so here we have this 3.5mm adapter to SMA adapter, and then it also comes with excuse me, sorry for that, this reel antenna. And you hook that up to there, and that goes to the SDR. And of course, you have your two side panels. SMA. Let me focus right in there. You can see SMA. Okay, there you go. Telescopic whip antenna, which is pretty cool. And of course, all the hardware to mount this, and the two halves of the aluminum. And this one has it's like a rubber, so keeps it stable, but also is good for heat. Keeps it. So we're gonna put this together. So basically, I'm gonna switch. Get rid of this plastic toy case looking thing and change it to that. Okay, now before we take the board out of the plastic enclosure, you're gonna need basically two tools. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, small one, and I'm gonna use a needle nose just to loosen this nut. And you want to do that first, actually, and then take out the 4 screws. Okay, now I remove the 4 screws, and of course the nut and the washer, and this is the board. Okay, so we're just going to keep that. We no longer need this 4 screws, and in this case we are going to need this and not this, so we're going to put that aside. Okay, now we're gonna metal case. Now this is the metal case. This is the lower part. This is the top part of the metal case. And unlike the plastic case, the RFN and the USB are going to be in the same side, as opposed to the plastic one where you have the USB on one side, the antenna connector on the other side. They're both going to be in one side. And then this middle one is a ground lug, like this, that goes there. Okay, now of course it's secure. Now of course, if I had to do it again, I would try to get a wrench and maybe have a smaller one to hold it there, but it's pretty tight, snug. But again, I would use a wrench or something. Of course, I'm just It's always the case when I want to make a video. Something always comes up. I can't find what I'm doing. Okay, so now we slid the board through just like a slot. And of course, remember the rubber padding is down here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just put the screws there. Okay. As you can see, I put the 2 screws in. Don't tighten them all the way because you still have to put the other side, and you want to line everything up and make sure everything fits. So next thing is we're going to do this side, the 2 bottom. Okay. As you can see, I put the 2 screws in there. Of course, again, don't tighten them all the way because excuse me, because you still have to line up with the top. So next thing is to put the top. Now we're putting the last couple of screws on top, and now you can tighten up a little bit more here. There you go. Okay, as simple as that. Now the old case, you can hold on to it, keep it in case you ever want to sell your RSP1 or 1A, and keep this metal case for. In my case, I have the RSP1, so if I ever do get the 1A, I'll just swap it out or whatever. Or so there you go. Now it looks more like a radio. It doesn't look so much like a toy anymore. Very happy with it. And of course, it has the inside there's a rubber type of heating pad. And of course, since now it's aluminum, it should help with the the shielding. Hopefully less noise interference. I read a couple of reviews on it. It does help with the it lessens the interference. And also, like I said, it looks a lot better now. It looks like actual professional radio, SDR. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And with that, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.